Welcome to 5515 118th Street, Lot 358 in Jacksonville, Florida. This impeccably maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is a true testament to pride of ownership. Enjoy a spacious driveway with ample room for 2 vehicles, complemented by beautifully manicured landscaping and a charming walkway leading to the covered side deck. The perfect place to unwind in the evening, fire up the grill, and catch up with neighbors. Let's go inside and take a look. Enter to this bright and cheerful open concept living, dining and kitchen. The luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living room gives the home a modern feel and extends into the bathrooms and kitchen. The kitchen has stainless steel and sleek black appliances, white cabinetry, and very nice white countertops. This kitchen is a chef's delight with so much room to prepare and still be able to visit with guests. Okay, let's head out through the living room and take a look at what else this home has to offer. Here on the left is the full guest bathroom that is conveniently located near the living area for your friends and family. Next, we have a guest room that is currently being used as a den. It has a closet and could easily be converted back to a bedroom. Next is another guest room that is being used as an office, and again, can be easily converted back to a bedroom with another very nice sized closet. Use your imagination and make these rooms whatever you want. Now we are heading back through the living area, and did you see that spectacular pendulum lighting? Here we find a gorgeous master bedroom with a walk-in closet, a truly private retreat complete with separate his and hers wardrobe spaces. Now the best part, the ensuite bath is bright and cheerful, featuring a spacious vanity, a walk-in shower, and all the comfort you could ask for. If you are interested in seeing this beautiful home located in the family-friendly and pet-welcoming community of Ortega Village, give Andrew Harmon a call at 603-986-4540.